sistema molto primitivo di fotobioreattori con la coltivazione di alghe.
We're all now. Hila, sind wir alle? Ja, wir sind alle. Obwohl, da fehlt noch eine. And here you can, inside here you see algae, and out of algae energy is produced. And the idea is that you have
one of the source of biofuel.
it's biofuel, and they are binding. What is the bad gas in the atmosphere? CO2. Yeah. And they are binding CO2, and at the same time they are producing energy. And that's the basic idea of this, that within what is grown in water, algae, you can produce energy. And as you see, you don't have to use a lot of ground. So, like...
How to use this net? How to differentiate wood